In this video, I will share with you how to add a calculator tool in Hostinger website builder. This is the design of the calculator that I will show you how to add in this tutorial. First, let's give it a try. 5 plus 5, or yes, 5 plus 5 equals 10. 4 times 4 equal 16. So this is a good working calculator, and this is the code responsible, or the HTML code that we will use. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites and select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website. Just a quick tip: if you have multiple different websites in this list and you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between Hostinger websites and WordPress websites, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is a Hostinger builder icon. Now click on this edit website button. For this tutorial, I will create a new page. So I will go to pages and hit add page. Let's go with an empty page. Give it calculator or online calculator. Save. This is my page. I will create a new section. Go with blank section, and then now it's the important step. Go to this plus icon and hit add element. Scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this embed code element, just like that. Click on enter code, delete this existing code, and copy this code that I will share with you in this video tutorial, in this video description. If I forgot to attach this piece of code, just let me know in the comments below. Click on this embed code. As you can see, this is our calculator. Don't forget to update your website. And let's view this website live. This is my online calculator page, and this is the online tool. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So this is a good working calculator. Other things that you can add is make this page a little bit longer. Give your online calculator a big title, which is this text. Let's look for a good online calculator. Now, to optimize this page to appear in Google, we need to add a little bit of text. For that, I will use ChatGPT. I will ask him for my online calculator page. Give me keywords with high search volume and low competition. By the way, ChatGPT is not a keyword search tool, so here we are just getting an idea. We are not so this US monthly search volume is not correct. Integral derivative concrete snow day. I didn't like these keywords, so I will go with another tool. This is the keyword research tool that I will use. It's called Ubersuggest. I will fill in online calculator and hit search. Online calculator for free, 4%. Statistic. I think this online calculator for free is what we are looking for. I am targeting this keyword. Write me a 700, write me 700 text optimized to use in my to use in my page. Perform instant calculations effortlessly. This is a good title. I will replace this one. Let's center it like that. Where is my calculator? It should be here. And this is the text. Edit text, delete, and now it is for these frequently asked questions, it is better to use this FAQ element. Or yes, just go to YouTube. I think I've already recorded a tutorial for this. How to add FAQ in Hostinger website builder and add Ben's experience. As you can see, this is how to add an expand and collapse FAQ section. I have 2 tutorials for this. This is the design of the FAQ. Now let's update this website again and just update this page. And this is our online calculator page with SEO optimized text. And this is how to add an online calculator in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you.